Sure, I love a good movie demo scene just as much as the rest of them. But did you know that Trinnov, yes, that same Trinnov that sells those end-game processors like the Altitude 16, they have trailers that you can download for free. That's right. Just register on their website and you have access to all the previous trailers that they have ever released. But there are a couple caveats that you should know about. So let's talk about it. I'm Elon Osborne and this is Acoustically Speaking. All right, I'm not gonna waste any time here, so let's just put it into Google. Let's type in Trinnov trailers. Trinnov exclusive trailers. Discover our exclusive trailers in Dolby Atmos, RO3D, and DCP. I don't know if any of you watching this are into RO3D like I am, but this is actually really cool because, at least in the United States, native RO3D content is non-existent. Like there are some films that are natively mixed in RO3D 13.1. You're not just taking an Atmos mix and upmixing it with RO3D. You can actually get 4K Blu-rays or Blu-rays that are mixed in RO3D natively. So the fact that there are these accessible to those in the United States that are native RO3D, that's really cool. Because as far as I know, this is one of the very few places where you can actually get native RO3D content to test your RO3D system. So yeah, this is the one that just came out, Le Son, and I will be demoing it for you later in this video. But just so you know, Le Son is more of like a compilation demo. It's basically taking all of their specific demos and putting little clips of each one into a single video. So it's pretty cool. It's probably not going to be the most dynamic, and it's not really going to test your system overall, to be honest, because I have watched it, and pretty much every time they switch to a different snippet of a trailer, it's got this real nice bass thump. So it is very bass heavy, I'll give it that. But as far as like high frequencies or just overall immersion and sounds going all over the soundstage, honestly not so much. But for what it's worth, I say Le Son is more like a sample platter. So this may be one of the first ones that you might want to download because it is a compilation of several different things all in one. Anomaly is another one. Rings, that's a cool one. La Baisse, obviously that's going to be a subwoofer workout. Le Deux, Le Repeater. I mean, Trinnov is a French company, so whatever. I'm just making a fool out of myself, don't mind me. Experience, Trinnov Music Machine. They have Volume 1 and Volume 2. Rows of Rows, waveforming. These two in particular are really cool because it really tests out the waveforming technology that Trinnov is known for, where you've got subwoofers in the front and an array of subwoofers in the back, so they can cancel out the low frequencies as soon as they hit the other side, as opposed to having them bounce all around the room and muddy things up. So I really like the fact that they have specific trailers to test out if your waveforming array is up to snuff. Arrival, and you might be able to see this here, thanks to Ivan de Kuiper at Aro. Ivan is actually a buddy of mine. We email quite a bit. He sends me movies that have been mixed in native RO3D, because like I said, you can't get them otherwise in the United States. So I appreciate you, Ivan, if you're watching this. But as you can see with all of these trailers, you've got to register to download it. So to get access to our trailers and stay informed by email as soon as we release new ones. It is totally free to register. Just put in your email address and the country you live in and put down what your specific interest is. Either home theater, commercial theater, hi-fi, or pro audio. And speaking of Le Son, it did actually come out just last week. And I know that because I received an email. It said, hey, Le Son is our newest trailer. And then within the email itself, it then gives you a download link. In fact, here is the email itself. New trailer, Le Son. We are pleased to share a new trailer bringing together all our clips in a single edit based exclusively on sound design. See, like I said, it's a compilation of all their trailers. New Clip is available in Dolby Atmos and RO3D. Additionally, we are pleased to share all our trailers in Dolby Atmos attached to a Dolby Digital Plus signal in .mp4 format. This will hopefully allow for better compatibility with certain Blu-ray players. So I'm going to hit on that in just a minute because they have a good point there. I'm just going to right click on this download le son. I want to open it up in a new tab, but you can do whatever you want. But as you can see, they've got all these different formats and all these different choices of le son to choose from. Here's the RO3D version, that's number 1. And you can see that the aspect ratio is 2.35 to 1. So if you got a 16:9 television, you're gonna see black bars on the top and the bottom. So for whatever reason, the RO3D version only comes in 2.35 aspect ratio. Whereas the Dolby Atmos version, you can get it in 16:9 or 2.35 to 1, or you can see the Dolby Atmos Dolby Digital version and just a JPEG photo. So one thing you may have noticed with the RO3D and the first 2 Dolby Atmos versions is that they are .mkv files. What the heck is a .mkv file? Well, it's a particular file format that contains all of the information. Uncompressed audio, full bandwidth video. So this is the cream of the crop, right? The big caveat with that though is that MKV files can only be read by media players. Take like the Zedu media players or Arvolution media players. So if you own a media player, I would highly recommend downloading the MKV versions because then you're going to get Dolby True HD, which is uncompressed Dolby Atmos. And say you have like a really nice CinemaScope 2.35 to 1 aspect ratio projector screen in your theater, then obviously I would go for the Dolby Atmos 2.35.mkv version. But like I said, if you accidentally download that version, it's okay. You can still watch it. You'll just have the letterbox bars on the top and the bottom. But what I had to do was download the Dolby Digital version because I currently don't have a media player like a Zedu or Arvolution, because your typical Blu-ray player is going to have a USB port on it. And honestly, this is probably what most of you will have to do, just FYI. You're probably going to want to go for the Atmos DD 16:9 version that is .mp4. It is way more compatible with a lot more devices. Pretty much every single Blu-ray player out there supports .mp4 files. But if you don't have a Blu-ray player and your TV supports Dolby Atmos signals, you should be able to download the Dolby Atmos DD file, put it on a USB flash drive, stick that USB flash drive into your Dolby Atmos compatible television, because again, most TVs nowadays also have a USB input. And then say if you have a really nice Dolby Atmos compatible soundbar or receiver, and you've got it connected to your TV via eARC, then that's another way you should be able to enjoy these free trailers. So going back to the email, I'm going to click on this because as you saw on the previous screen, we could only see the variations of the le son trailer. But if you click on this, download our clips in .mp4, I'm going to open this once again in a new tab. Here are all the trailers that you can download in the .mp4 format. Anomaly, Arrival, Experience, La Base, Le Repeater. As you can see down here, there's more than one page. So page 2, Le Son, Le Deux, Music Machine 1, Music Machine 2, Rings, go to page 3, and Rows of Rows. All for free. All you gotta do is register. So as you can see, I have accessed the main menu of my Magnetar UDP 800 4K Blu-ray player. I've inserted the USB flash drive into the back, and now I'm going to access those video files by going to Video. It just happens to be on a USB flash drive that has some other workout videos, don't mind that. And I'm gonna go down to Trinnov. Currently, I only have the Le Son trailer loaded on this USB flash drive. Next to the file name, it does say MP4, so this is the Dolby Digital Plus version. And to be honest, I've already watched this once and it sounds pretty darn good. So let's just go ahead and hit enter and let the show begin. you definitely will have an easier time to watch these free trailers in the .mp4 format if you happen to have a Blu-ray player. I'm just going to say it outright. But like I said, if you don't have a Blu-ray player, because honestly that's becoming less and less common nowadays, you may be able to download the files and put them on a USB flash drive, stick that flash drive into your TV as long as it's Dolby Atmos compatible, which then sends that audio down the HDMI cable to your soundbar or receiver via eARC. And I'll be honest, after watching the MP4 version of Le Son, I was actually really impressed. The bass drops especially, even though it is the compressed Dolby Digital version, because it's .mp4, it still hit pretty good, man. I'm not gonna lie. So if you have to settle for the .mp4 version, it's not like you're missing out entirely and you're gonna have a really crappy experience. No, it's still gonna be a really good demo. Trust me. But if you do happen to have a Zedu or Arvolution media player, of course, I would recommend downloading the MKV version, because then you're going to get the best experience possible out of these free trailers. And the fact that they're free is really cool, because otherwise, what else are you going to be using to demo your system? It's either going to be particular demo scenes from movies, like I said in the intro of this video, and those can be hit or miss as much as a demo would, because a demo is a demo. It is literally made to wow you by activating all the speakers possible in your system. And you're going to want to play them to wow your friends as well when they come over, because the alternative is getting like a certified Dolby Atmos demo disc, which I don't even think they actively make those anymore. You'll have to get one that's been made, several years ago, and it's going to be on a Blu-ray disc, so you have to have a Blu-ray player in that case, and it's obviously going to cost you money, whereas these are free. Kind of a no-brainer, right? And if you just want to download the .mp4 versions, it's pretty much as simple as downloading the files and putting them on a USB flash drive. Done and done. So yeah, we here at Ecoustics just wanted to let you know that they are in existence. They are available. So yeah, get online, register, download them for free, invite your friends over, wow them with these amazing trailers, which then might want to make them start their own home theater journey. Who knows? So that about does it for this episode of Acoustically Speaking. To catch up on all things home audio, home theater, hi-fi, wearables, gadgets, and tech, don't forget to bookmark ecoustics.com. Until next time.